In October 2008, I took a leap of faith by flying over 8,000 miles to live and study in Japan. It was the longest flight I had ever taken in my life. It took 16 hours of flying time and proved to be very exhausting. We first flew from Jamaica to New York, which was roughly 4 hours. Then we flew from New York to Japan, which took another 12 hours. Can you believe that? Hats off to the American airline pilots who flew the entire distance so quickly. It still felt like an eternity though, on the plane. Imagine sleeping on a plane, then waking up, going back to sleep, and waking up again, and you still had not reached your destination. That's exactly what happened. We were, however, fed well by the flight attendants with 3 square meals and snacks, so my stomach wanted for nothing. On October 6, 2008, we finally landed at the Narita International Airport in Narita, Chiba, where I claimed my luggage and cleared immigration. I brought with me 3 suitcases, plus 1 carry-on bag, a knapsack, and my handbag, courtesy of my mother. I still felt that I should have taken more stuff. I'm a real yardie, a Jamaican who loves her bag and pan and lots of Jamaican food. Remember, being 8,000 miles from home, not having a clue about Japan, it was important to have as many items that reminded me of home, because I didn't know what to expect.